Competing for a promotion. Dialogue A. Betty and Simon are co-workers discussing a new job posting at their company.
Did you see the job posting on the bulletin board?
Do you mean the notice advertising the office manager position?
Yes. I heard that Mr. Landon has accepted a job offer in a different city, so he's leaving at the end of the month.
I heard the same thing yesterday. Apparently the CEO wants to hire his replacement from within the company.
That might be a good job opportunity for someone. I hear the office manager is paid well.
I can sense that you're interested. You're planning on applying, aren't you?
Maybe, but I haven't decided yet.
Well, did you notice the part of the job posting about the presentation?
No, what are you talking about?
It says that as part of the application process, we need to give a presentation to the CEO proposing a new marketing campaign.
Hold on a second. You just said we. You're also going to apply for the manager position, aren't you?
It sounds like you have made up your mind after all. What's wrong? Are you afraid of a little competition?
Of course not. I'm down for it. Bring it on.